Seagull is Clever by Beverly Randell. Seagull is Clever by Beverly Randell. Seagull is a big bird. He is hungry. He is looking for fish. Will Seagull get a fish? No, not today. He will not get a fish today. The waves are too big. Where is Seagull going? He is going to get a shellfish. Is Seagull eating the shellfish? No, he is not. Up goes Seagull with the shellfish. He goes up and up and up. Down comes the shellfish. Down, 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 down. Seagull comes down too. He looks at the shellfish. Good, the shell is broken. Seagull is eating the shellfish. He is a clever bird. The end.